Hello artists! Today we are going to draw pumpkin Ennui. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start by making the pumpkin. Ennui is a bit difficult to do, but you have a lot of talent and you will do very well. Very good. You are doing a good job. Now we are going to draw the nose. His nose is quite big, don't you think? Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of these fantastic drawings. Now we will draw her ponytail. And then her hair, which is very long. Then his eyes, which look a bit boring. And finally, we will draw his mouth. It's time to paint. It's my favorite part. Dark purple. Light purple. Red. What a fun drawing! You draw very well.